my daily grind. Grease on my apron, life unkind. Dreams of torque and chrome designs. I left those patties far behind. Year 76 is where I'll be. Wrenches spinning like destiny. Turning bolts, chasing big dreams free. From fast food chains to a grease spree. Moving up, gonna top the charts. Fueling engines, fixing hearts. Burgers gone, now the grease tip parts. Pier 76, where the real work starts. No more fries, just nuts and gears. Burning rubber, no more tears. This new horizon conquers fears. From flipping burgers to shifting into higher gears. Whoa. Late night lounge, the music flows. Under the lights, ambition grows. From humble starts, the story shows. Wherever you aim is where you go. Moving up, gonna top the charts. Fueling engines, fixing hearts. Burgers gone, now the grease tip parts. Pier 76, where the real work starts. Moving up, gonna top the charts. Fueling engines, fixing hearts. Burgers gone, now the grease tip parts. Pier 76, where the real work starts. No more fries, just nuts and gears. Burn your rubber, no more tears. This new horizon conquers fears. From flipping burgers to shifting into higher gears. Whoa. No more fries, just nuts and gears. Burning rubber, no more tears. This new horizon conquers fears. From flipping burgers to shifting into higher gears.